Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Daily English Practicing channel, where we make learning English easy, interactive, and fun. I'm your host, and today we are diving into one of the most common, yet sometimes intimidating questions in the English language. Tell me about yourself. Whether you are starting a new class, interviewing for a job, or simply meeting new people at a party, this question always pops up. Sometimes it's hard to know where to begin. So today, I'm going to walk you through how to build a perfect introduction by sharing two different examples, one from a teacher's perspective and one from a student's perspective. Before we jump in, please remember to subscribe to our channel and click that like button. Sharing this podcast with your friends and family helps us more than you know. Phase 1. The basics: name, origin, and home. When someone asks you to talk about yourself, always start with the basics. It builds a foundation for the conversation. Take Paul, for example. If Paul were introducing himself, he'd start simply, "My name is Paul. I am from the United States, but I don't live in a big city. I actually live in a small, quiet town in a house with a garden." On the other hand, look at Emily. Her life is a bit different. "My name is Emily, and I'm from Canada. Unlike Paul, I live in a very busy, noisy big city, and I stay in a small but cozy apartment." Do you see the difference? You can describe your environment using adjectives like quiet, busy, noisy, or peaceful to give your listener a better picture of your life. Phase 2. Age and occupation. Next, you might want to mention your age and what you do with your time. Paul is 28 years old, and he is an English teacher. He loves his job because he gets to help people communicate. Emily is 25 years old, and she is a student. She studies art because she loves being creative, drawing, and painting. Phase 3. Family and pets. Talking about family is a wonderful way to connect. Paul has a younger sister named Sarah who studies music and plays the piano. His mother is a writer and his father is a doctor. Emily has an older brother named Tom. Her mother is also a teacher for young children, and her father is a chef. Imagine the delicious food at her house. And don't forget pets. They are great conversation starters. Paul has a friendly brown dog named Max, while Emily has a quiet, sleepy black and white cat named Luna. Are you a dog person or a cat person? Mentioning this helps show your personality. Phase 4. Hobbies, likes, and dislikes. To make your introduction long and full, talk about your favorites. Food. Paul loves pizza, especially pepperoni, while Emily prefers pasta and vegetable pizza. Colors. Paul likes the calm blue of the sky. Emily loves the natural green of the grass and trees. Hobbies. In his free time, Paul listens to rock music and plays soccer on Saturdays. Emily prefers painting and reading adventure stories. It is also very helpful to mention what you don't like. For example, Paul isn't a fan of olives, and Emily can't stand spicy food or waking up early. Saying what you dislike adds a touch of humor and honesty to your introduction. Summary. Putting it all together, you don't have to say everything at once. Pick the parts that fit the situation. In a classroom, "Hi, I'm Paul. I'm from the US, and I'm here because I love learning new things." At a party, "Hi, I'm Emily. I'm an art student and I love cats and pasta." The question, "Tell me about yourself," isn't a test. It's an invitation to share your story. Keep it simple, stay friendly, and always remember to smile. Your task for today: I want to hear from you. Go to the comment section below and give me a brief introduction. Tell me your name, where you are from, and one thing you love. I can't wait to read them. Thank you for listening to Daily English Practicing, and don't forget to subscribe and share this podcast with your friends. Until next episode, keep practicing, keep speaking, keep shadowing, and keep improving your English. Bye for now.